Hi everyone, it's Manfredini, ACE's home expert. We're going to talk about the condition of the soil in your home and outside of your home and help you determine if it's in good shape. Now you'll hear a lot of talk about soil temperature and the quality or the fertility of the soil, but you'll also hear a lot about the pH level. This is actually a probe, an electronic probe that you can use to check the pH in your soil that can be very important depending on the type of plants that you want to plant around your home or even in your home. Some other things we have here is a soil test kit. This will really give you an analysis of what the quality of your soil is, and it's got all different levels and little chambers to allow you to understand what's going on. This is a combo kit. This one not only will tell you soil temperature, but it'll talk about fertility as well as pH. But today, we're going to talk about the pH level using this probe. Now we're outside here, and if you're going to use a probe like this, it's quite simple. It's got a shaft right here, almost like a thermometer, that you're going to stick inside the soil. It's battery operated. And what you want to do is take a shovel and clear away so you get down to the soil. You don't want to go through any of the mulch or anything like that. You want to get to a point right there where you can see the soil. Then you're going to turn the probe on, okay? And you're going to see that it has a level of 7. 7 is neutral. When it comes to pH, the scale is from 0 to 14. And then we're going to drive that probe inside there, and we're going to test and see what level it's going to give you. And it's going to give you that reading to let you know what the soil pH level is. Now, depending on the plants that you're going to plant, they may tell you that they like an acidic soil, like azaleas, for instance, love a soil that's a little bit acidic. And that is actually below 7. So 7 is neutral. Acidic would be anything below that. If you notice that the reading is high and you want to lower it, you'll use things like compost to mix into the soil to help get that down. If you want to raise it, you would use something like a lime product like this. This is going to help you raise the pH level of your soil to either get to neutral or above, again, depending on the type of plants that you're going to plant. Now keep this in mind, that when you're trying to change the molecular structure of soil, in particular when it comes to pH, it takes time. It isn't something that you're going to add lime to and then in an hour it's going to be at the level that you want it to be at. So when you mix that in and get it right, you can take readings maybe a week later to really fine tune it, and when you do that, your plants are going to be super healthy. If you have any questions or you need more advice, just leave a comment at the bottom. We may do a video based on your suggestion.